See this problem asked in Z Mains 2020. This was the problem asked in 2020 only. Okay, so how to solve this problem which is having a multiple resistors connected in this way? So in this case, first you consider this part of the circuit. From here to here, if you cut the circuit, from here to here, if you cut the circuit and place it here, how it will be? You just see. The circuit will be like this. Okay, the circuit will be like this, and that circuit is going to be just like a Wheatstone bridge here. This circuit is nothing but a Wheatstone bridge. This middle resistor is here, and these two resistors are these two here, and these two resistors are placed here. Okay, so these two resistors are placed here. So this is just like a Wheatstone bridge and balanced Wheatstone bridge. If you observe, this middle one should be removed here. This should be removed because no current passes through the middle resistor because it is a balanced Wheatstone bridge. Okay, so as there is no current passing through the middle one can be eliminated. So this one can be eliminated here. So from this circuit I have eliminated this one here. If you observe here, this part which I am giving a dot here, I have eliminated here. Okay, because in this no current passes through the galvanometer resistor, that is the middle one. So I have eliminated this one. After eliminating this dotted resistor here, the circuit diagram will be like this. The circuit diagram will be like this. So what I have done, I have eliminated this one. So this is the remaining circuit diagram. So from this remaining circuit diagram, if you observe, what I am going to do, just see here. Okay, so these two resistors are in parallel. So R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 formula, if you apply R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 formula, if you apply, it is going to be R into R is R square by 2R. So it is going to be R by 2 here. So these two combined together, it is going to be R by 2 here. Okay, so after that, this is R and this is R. This can be taken as 2R. This is R and this is R. This can be taken as 2R here. Okay, so then 2R into 2R by 2R plus 2R is going to be R here. Okay, so these combined together, it is going to be R here, and this R by 2 I have connected in series here. Okay, so therefore the total answer in this case is resistance across AB is going to be 3R by 2. So the first A option is going to be the correct answer here. Okay, so this was a recently asked question, that is in 2020. Thank you very much. Okay, it's only a 3-minute video.